Okay, so like I said in when I was fixing this drill, I know nothing about batteries or mechanics. I know how to fix this part. That's about it. So I talked to a friend of mine just minutes ago, and he said I might have to leave the battery charging for a lot longer. That's what he said. He said try 48 hours and see if it works. Okay? I might try as much as a week. I don't know if that will help, but I'm going to try and see if it works. If not, he says most likely I will need a new battery. Now he knows a fair bit about this sort of thing, but he doesn't know everything. So I might get some professional opinion on the drill. Now we've got the same problem here. These have been sitting in my garage for years, and they're uncharged. When we moved in a previous home that we were in Warren, before we moved here in Drawn, these were left behind. There's a lot of other tools that I collected. And I tried charging them back then for a little while. They didn't charge. They didn't work. I tried charging them a month ago for a little while. They didn't work. We might leave them for about a week charged. We've only got one charger though, but you can charge both of them. We might leave it for a week and see if it does charge up. It's as easy as finding the information out by asking someone, but I don't know who to ask. Other than the person I asked today, and he knows like 50-50 on it, he's not 100% on it. So it may be okay to do that, or he may not be. They may be dead. Okay, so we're going to charge this as well, these here. This is a grinder. These are very good. As you see in the box here, the tools that come with it. Yeah, these I've seen in the store. They only go for about $25 here in Australia. It's pretty. It's not. They're not too expensive. I've seen them in the shop, in Bunnings. But if I can fix them, I like playing around with things and seeing if I can fix it. So I might leave this one here for a week, charging, to see if it's going to charge. He may not. I have no idea if he will or won't. Okay. And then if this doesn't work, we try the other one for a week, or if it works, we try the other one for a week as well. We won't get both of them working. If they don't, I might ask a professional. Maybe it needs longer. I don't know, because they've been there for years. But it may be all right, just 24 hours. But it may not. So I'll get back to you on this, okay? And we may not fix it. Like I said, we may not. I've tried twice before. I'm going to try a bit longer now. I'm going to try for about a week now and see if that works.